Welcome to R3, Parameters, Variance, and Confidence Intervals. This video is the third in our Getting Started with R series. We are going deeper into statistical thinking using R, adapted from M.J. Crawley's Statistics, an Introduction Using R. Today, we're focusing on how to estimate parameters from data, understand variability, calculate variance, and build confidence intervals. Our focus areas today include estimating parameters, understanding variance, and constructing confidence intervals. Before you dive into the code, you must first ask yourself the right questions about your data. First, identify your response variable, which is what you are trying to predict or explain. Then, identify your explanatory variables, which influence the response. Next, determine if your variables are continuous or categorical. Continuous variables can take any value, while categorical variables fall into a limited number of categories. Finally, classify the type of response variable. Is it a measurement, a count, a proportion, time to event, or a category? Now, let's talk about the sample size, denoted by n, which is simply the number of observations in your dataset. The sample size, or n, is a fundamental concept. It represents the quantity of data points you have to work with. In R, you can easily calculate the sample size using the "length" function on your data vector. Let's move on to central tendency, which describes the center point of your data distribution. The central limit theorem suggests that when you repeatedly sample data, the values tend to cluster around the mean. The mean is the arithmetic average of your data. In R, calculate it using the mean function. The median is the middle value of your ordered dataset, and unlike the mean, it is resistant to outliers. Use the median function in R. The mode is simply the most frequent value within your dataset. In our next session, we'll build on these foundations to explore variability. We will cover calculating variance and constructing those all-important confidence intervals.